So now what we'll be doing is for this section is actually recording, um, adding synchronization actually. So we're gonna name this adding synchronization. Okay, and we'll create a new test with that name, and then we save it. Okay, use the save as, and then we'll save it in here. Okay, and when that is done, um, we check our application, our business application which we want to carry out a test on, if it's ready, and just make sure it's ready. And as I said, before you carry out the test on these applications, it's important that you understand the start of the test process and also the end of the test process. It does matter. If not, you're gonna have loads of errors. Okay, so we click on record. So what we want to do here is by starting and clicking on starting business process. Okay, and then we enter the date, which is 09, doesn't matter actually, and then we enter the flight from Frankfurt to Los Angeles. Okay, click OK, and you enter your name. Okay, and number of tickets, 2, class, first class, and then you insert your order. So for this process of adding synchronization, we need to stop here and come to the design mode, where we select synchronization point, and this point can be selected on any of the business process where you want the customer to actually finish a process before moving to the next process. And this is actually important so that a customer don't just have an uncompleted process while moving to the next phase of the transaction. So we click on synchronization point, and then we click on insert done, because it's only when the transaction is done you can actually close it or book another flight ticket. So we click OK, and here because insert transaction is a text delimited, so we will choose text for the property name, and here we would actually put insert text. Insert done, and the 3 dots, don't forget that, 1, 2, 3, and we can make it 20 seconds. Okay, just to see how it goes, and we click OK for that. When we've done that, remember again to close that because we're done, and then we stop the automation. So this is what we have. So what we'll do here now is to save it. Okay, and then we run it. So you see, after 20 seconds, it clicked and everything was fine. So it's all done, passed, and that's how to actually add a synchronization point on a business process.